certain. Forex trading is helpful. One thing is sure, and that is certain. Forex trading is sure, and forex trading is real. If you have been struggling to make profits, this video will help you to clear your doubt and you place your profit. You place your trade and make profits, at least for the first time, without doubting yourself. Now, after dropping the last video I did, a lot of comments and a lot of a lot came into my phone, and they started requesting how can we trade this on our Android version. So I came up with this very strategy that will help you to place your trade, at least if not for any other thing, for the first time you will be placing your trade and successfully closing with profit. All right, now look at what I'm going to do now in this very video here, and I'm going to be entering my trade, but I'm going to show you something that may surprise you. I'm going to show you something that may surprise you. Now look at this. This is crash 300, and this is 1 hour time frame. Let's check if what we have on 1 hour time frame is the same thing we'll have on 1 minute time frame. Can you see it now? Are you see what I'm saying? That in 1 minute time frame, the market is not smiling, but in 1 hour time frame, in 1 minute time frame, the market is showing overbought. The market is showing overbought, while the 1 hour time frame is showing oversold, which means it's trying to start buying again. Okay, so now let's see how this strategy will work. Let's check crash 500. All right, this is crash 500. The 1 minute time frame is indicating an arrangement for it to go up, while on 1 hour time frame the market is showing that there is a chance for the market to go down. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be taking my sell to, I'm going to be placing my trade. I will be using 90. I'll be using 90 and I will be selling. All right, I'll be selling. I'll be placing 2 positions. I will be selling, which means I'm placing my trade for me to catch a spike. All right, now listen as I wait for the market right here now, because why I entered this trade is for you to be able to understand what I'm about to explain to you in this video. So please pay attention so that you will not make some mistakes that may affect you. All right, yes, I place a trade. Look at it. The chain is counting, is presently on loss. All right, and I enter 2 positions. All right, so how does this strategy work, and what is this strategy all about? Good question. Now we have a strategy that can help you to place a trade and make profit. Now we'll have 2 moving averages on the main chart, and those moving averages have the ability to give you the, at least if not the confirmation you want, but the momentum, the confidence for you to place a trade, at least place your trade and close with profit. I'm going to be showing you proofs. This is 1 hour time frame, and after saying this, you will be able to know why I place my trade on spike. Okay, watch here now. Watch here. When we'll have 2 moving averages, I'm going to show you these are moving averages in my this thing. Now we'll have this yellow or gold this thing, and we'll have this green line. watch this place, watch the main chart here. As this yellow moving average EMA make a move like this, this surpasses all resistance zone here. Presently here now, presently here, it crossed that resistance zone here. It crossed it. Now, as it has crossed it, watch below here, watch on our low, on our window 1, the same yellow line and the green line made an agreement and crossed together. If you follow it here, you notice that as both of them cross 20 levels, that was when this thing crossed, the two lines crossed over here. So as they cross over here, there is a resistance zone here, and the market tried 1, 2 here until this one came and broke out from the final resistance levels that took the market to this direction. So when are you going to enter your trade? Let's take this thing straight and let's understand it perfectly here. All right. All right, let's take this, follow this line I'm drawing here now. Follow this. Look at, I took it from the last resistance zone and watch here now. Watch. So when are you to place your trade, and when are you going to be comfortable to place your trade? Watch here. Watch here. The journey that started here, the journey that started in this place, I want to show you so that once you see those things, you'll be able to place your trade without being afraid of anything at all. All right. Remember that the market is still on loss. Are you seeing it? But I am not panicking because it's going to turn to my favor. All right. It's going to turn to my favor. So I am not shaking. All right. So how are we going to do this? From that very minute the market entered, that very minute the market crosses above this line here. Watch. Okay, this is where I was talking. So watch the histogram, the horizontal line. Watch it here. So I bring another one. Let me bring another one. This time, let me use this one and mark it here so that you see it clearly. Let me bring another one and mark it again here. Are you seeing what I'm showing you now? So as the market crosses, as the market crossed this line, it took a journey from here to this place. So as the market crosses here, it has not broken out from the resistance zone, but it never came down to the line again until it gets to this point. That is one point I want you to understand here. That is one point I want you to understand. So immediately the market stepped into this place. It never came down. Immediately the market crosses this place. In spite of the resistance zone here, the market never came down and crossed this place until it reaches to this place. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Are you seeing what I'm showing you? The journey has started. It has spiked. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing what I'm showing you? The journey have just started. So it's just a startup. Nothing has happened. It's just a welcome. This thing is going to continue to spike for a long time. Do you see that? Do you get that now? So when I'm talking to you, when I am placing trade, I am telling you what I know. All right. So when are you going to, you in particular, when are you going to be placing your own trade so that you will not make mistake? One, when you see the market, the two lines in your lower time frame cross together. Your lower time frame, I mean, is your 1 minute time frame, like what you are seeing here now. Don't be in a hurry to place your trade. I just want to open your eyes. For you to place your trade again, be sure that the two lines have crossed these 10 levels and come across the 20 levels. Immediately it's coming out from the 20 levels. Please place your trade. Get that now. Please place your trade. But until as it is inside this place, don't enter. Don't enter. Don't enter. Don't place your trade for Skyping. Don't place your trade for Skyping. I am placing this trade, and I place this trade because of what I saw in the higher time frame. That is the only condition, and that is the only reason why I place my trade. Do you get that now? So if you're looking for entry point, and exit point, where is my entry point now? I entered this thing. I'm just trading this candle. I entered this because one, it have crossed to this place. It have crossed this line. Let me mark it so that you see what I'm showing. It have entered into this place in your higher time frame, and this one have crossed this place. Are you seeing it? So before this thing will touch these 50 levels now, I'm going to close. So but on the main chart, my target is here. This one will say. Then if the market finally broke out from here and cross this one and cross this place finally, that means it has changed completely to a down trend, which means it is now a pure spike position, which is bearish movement. So at that point, I can now relax and place my trade. You get what I'm saying now? At that point, I can now enter and place my trade. So this market is very simple. This market is very, very simple. So once you see this thing, so your time frame to use is your 1 hour time frame. Once you see that the market have stepped into this place, once you see that there is a total cross in your higher time frame, once you see that it's a cross in your higher time frame, then you check your lower time frame and see another cross, that the market have crossed below the 90 and 80. I mean, for you to catch spike, remember the opposite of it is when you want to do your scalping on your boom. So as the market crosses like this, then get ready to enter for spike. Get ready to enter for scalping. Depends. So I use here as a case study. So if the market crosses below these things, it's an opportunity for you to enter. It's an opportunity for you to enter. So let's do a little back text and see how real this thing can be. Here, it crosses here, and you have this before it came back again and finally keep going down. I'm going to show you one thing that, look at here again. It crosses here, and remember this one is scalping. I'm showing you scalping now. It crosses here, and as it crossed here, it never went down again. But I'm going to show you this now. Watch here. Some of you will say it crossed here, but it spiked. It never touched 10. Remember the condition. You must allow the market, two of them to cross below 20 and touch 10. Two of them must touch 10 and start going up. At that time, that is when you have met the condition. Anything outside that, the condition have not met. Have you seen what I'm showing you? Have you seen what I'm showing you? I am $9 something richer now. Are you sure what I'm showing you now? So for some of you who don't know what Forex is all about, would think that I am complicating matters. What I'm showing you is what I know. All right. So you too can do the same thing. You too can do the same thing. So if you are using crash, as the market steps up to this place, if you are using crash, as the market touches this place now, look at what I'm showing you. Even in 1 minute time frame, the market touched this place. Each of them touched this place and cross this line. As it crosses this line, it never gives any opportunity for the market to come across it again till date. So why I am stressing myself trying to make you understand this is that so that you will not say that I give you a strategy that immediately it entered into this place, you should enter to do your scalping. The market will spike against your wish and will frustrate you. So that is why it is necessary for you to visit your higher time frame and get it. Somebody said that I talk too much, so that I don't have to say everything in one video. So let me do this now. For you to do your scalping here, go to a 1 hour time frame. If you go to your 1 hour time frame, if you see this, if you see your market ranging like this, two of them ranging like this and crossing the 10 to 20, enter for scalping. That is one simple distinction. How do you know that the one you are using is the right one? How do you know that the one you're using is the right one? When you minimize to the lowest, shift your distance like this, it will not shift from there. Are you get what I'm saying now? It will still be, two of them will still remain below the distance. Look at it here. Two of them will remain below the line. Look at it. Two of them will remain below the line. So, but which of these things can you use to be sure that nothing is going to happen to your account? Use final zoom level 1, then use zoom 2 and zoom 3. This is the right zoom you should use for you to be able to see small opportunities and be placing your trade. That is how simple the strategy can be. So just try this on your demo. Immediately you see anything like this, two of them like this crossing over, it's an opportunity. If you see it on 5 minutes time frame, it's an opportunity. If you see it on 1 minute time frame, it's an opportunity. But don't you ever, never you trade when it have not start coming out. Let me show you what I mean. What I meant. Let me show you. Never you trade this. Never you trade this until it start coming out of this. Until it start coming out. Let me show you until it start coming out like this. Never you trade. If you dare enter when it have not done something like this, you will lose your money. Take it from me that I said it. Are you seeing it? $21. Are you seeing it? $21. Look at it. Look at it. But when I entered, it was like $2, something of that nature. So for some of you who are doubting that I don't know. So this is how the market can work. So you too can do the same thing. Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. So you have the opportunity to do it. Please do it. You have the opportunity to do it. Please, you do it. I am standing by to watch how this market is going to be, but I have to cut the video so that it will not be too long. Look at the indicators I am using. I'll be dropping the video again on how to to show you how you can use it perfectly to catch a spike. The parameters I'm using is moving average 14 exponential. Choose any color of your choice. That is what I am using. Parameters 14 and exponential method apply to close. That is what I am using. Then the second moving average is 50 exponential apply to close. The 3 pixel, which is for me to see the lines boldly. That is the work of the pixel. All right. Then the indicator window 1 I am using is stochastic oscillator. I'm using 111 close exponential 2. Are you getting it? Another exponential. Then the levels I am using is this. The level I am using is this. Please set it like this: 90, 80, 20, 10, 50. Remember that this place is 1, 1, 1. Here, close. Here, exponential. Then this place, use the background color. All right. So that is what I am using. Then the moving average is 50. The first one is 50 exponential. The same moving average you have on the main chart is what I'm using so that I'll be able to confirm the movement of the market. Then the last one, which is the last moving average, is 14. All right. So nothing is too hard in it. So anybody, when I mean anybody can do this thing. So if you are struggling on how to place trade and make profit, this strategy is for you. So feel free to comment. And if you're looking for a mentorship, a mentor that will mentor you so that you master all those things, I am free. And I also give you a bonus, all right, for the new year. So I will just give you a little bonus, which means that I will not charge you as huge as maybe some others have paid. I will try to consider you if you come up within the period of time, so that I will assist you so that you will be able to trade and make profit like others. Don't gaze forex. It will not help you. Some will use $300 to try to raise their account instead of you to pay somebody to teach you and start enjoying the profit. So that is one thing you should do. I am signing out, hoping to see you. Thank you, my returning subscribers, and thank you, my new subscribers. Thank you, my family. You are wonderful. Thank you.